Now it's time for Vantage Shots, images that tell the story. Arson suspected as wildfire ravages central Honduras. Britain's King Charles gets musical as he plays a song on a carrot. And Qatar's skies light up during the Lusail festival. Finally, we are taking you back in history. On this day in 1949, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO, was established. It was formed in the aftermath of the Second World War. NATO started with 12 founding members. It aimed to ensure collective security and deter Soviet expansion. Today, NATO has 32 member states. We're leaving you on that note. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.
Greeting you with aloha and namaste.
No, I love India.
Presence, occupation of a territory by another country pertains to India, what we saw in Kashmir.
How do you see Trump's America?
Yes, the current administration behaves differently from the previous administration.
Are you saying that there are foreign powers who are trying to bring down the current government in Syria?
Exactly.
Iran, maybe Russia too.
Prime Minister Modi committed to South-South, cooperation.
Not over 50%.
Is Ukraine prepared to pay the price for that peace?
No compromises at the cost of territorial integrity and sovereignty.